That's jet fuel.
Yes. The other tank. Did everyone get evacuated? Holy crap. Oh. Y'all, a plane just crashed into all of those houses. People jumped out of the plane with parachutes. Oh my gosh. My hands are shaking.
Whoa.
There's people over here. See the parachute? There's a parachute. I'm an awful video taker. There's a parachute with people. They freaking crashed into someone's house. I hope everyone's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hope nobody was home. I mean, there was multiple people. I wonder where the other people went with their parachutes. I mean, I cannot believe we just saw that.